The Eagle 10000 Plus offers a few ways to power various Lincoln machines. For the most power made available to the machine, remove all other accessories from the receptacles. For 120 volt machines, like the WeldPack 90i, just connect the input cord from the machine to one of the 120 volt receptacles. You can also connect a Lincoln 120 volt P20 plasma cutter. Some of Lincoln's welders and plasma cutter inverter power sources are dual voltage. To get the most power from these machines, connecting them to the Eagle's 240 volt receptacle is best. First, attach a plug adapter to the 240 volt receptacle. Next, attach the 230 volt input plug from the Lincoln welder or plasma cutter, like the WeldPack 180i MPDV. Now you are ready to weld, but before you strike an arc, make sure you read the instruction manual entirely and are following all safety protocols, including wearing a helmet, safety glasses, welding gloves, and welding apparel.